Please, what's it?
Thank you.
Alright, thank you.
Hey.
Look at you everywhere bubbling. You need to tell me the secret. Even your workers, they are all on point.
My brother, it's just God. It's God. But I'll tell you the secret. I make sure I recruit the best hands, the best brains. Then I treat them well. I give them good accommodation. I provide transportation. And I pay them well. Why would they not perform?
That's super nice. And that reminds me, what about your Abuja branch?
100% ready.
Wow.
Completed. Hey, it's ready. 100%. I'm just waiting for the Minister for Tourism to give me a date for the commission.
Sharp. Congratulations. Ooh. The 7th branch in this country.
I'll tell you, what God cannot do does not exist.
I trust you. Congratulations.
Hey!
One day.
Okay, you're still washing the car. You know I'm going out. So my boss says, oh?
Okay, sir. I'm almost done, sir.
Onye ka nkene? Onye ka nkene? Izu Onye ogazi? Onye nwemba?
Odogwu? Hey! I was on my way from Adazi when you called.
Adazi?
Yes, my maternal home. Today is their New Year festival.
Oh, it's today?
Yes. Oh, it was a colorful event. Very wonderful, eh? So much to eat and drink. In fact, I even came back with a fowl. As Wadiana.
Yes, a friend of mine from Adazi invited me for some event, but I wasn't prepared for it.
Next year is another year.
Yes, you're correct.
Odogu?
I banu no kamele goji.
Oh, yes, you come again. Akokalia. Yeah.
Thank you. The cheese work.
Akokalia.
I sent for you to advise me on a very important matter. I don't know why you and other Ndichie are slow in organizing an election for a new Igwe Far community. It's the sole reason I relocated to this village, and I have long time made my intentions known to all of you. Why is it not being taken seriously? Or do you want our community to continue without a leader?
No, Ako. No. See, we cannot. We are incomplete without an Igwe. It's been 2 years since our Igwe died, and we are long overdue for a new one.
So why the delay?
I think everything depends on you. If you move our people, they will move. See, for now, Onowu and his inner circle are the ones calling the shots in the community. We should not be so.
I don't trust Onowu. That's why I always rely on you. So what should I do?
I think you should organize a meeting, call a declaration party. Give them enough food and drinks. Something for their pockets. At that party, declare your intentions. If I name Ozubo.
Sounds good.
It is a good idea, because once it is done, I will now mount pressure on the Ono to convene a meeting of Ndichie where we will now formally adopt you as the Igbo designate. Ogwokwa.
And once I'm recognized as an Igwe designate, I will now put together the coronation. Sounds good. When do you think I can host Ndichie?
Whenever you're ready.
I want it immediately, like tomorrow.
Let it be on Saturday, 3 days from now, so that I will have time to go and meet all the Ichies.
So I can also have time to organize the food, the drinks, and
exactly. Fresh palm wine and stout for the Ichie.
You see, that's why I always rely on you.
You see, your father and my father were very good friends. And it is good that we continue this relationship in their honor.
Well spoken. Well spoken.
Yes.
Okay.
So, Ako, I will take my leave. Let me now go and start seeing them.
Very important. My regards to your family.
I will give.
And
Ako.
for your fuel.
Oh, nkakalizile ego fuel,
Okay, for what?
Atowa kwa manya. Umada sina fato ba ha. Mode echiko ngazi da ba. Ako.
Nagazi.
Odo kebo. Result. Igwe. Ichibaga chiba.
Oh. I need you to buy these things today. I'm hosting a meeting of Ndichie and some elders tomorrow to formally declare my intention to become the Igwe of this town. I want you to buy those things and cook the meal specially and personally because I'm a niesi. Opposition is in a window. I will be the Igwe Akokalia of Umudim. And you, Ugeze Ugoma Akokalia, if I didn't.
I can't wait.
Yeah.
But sweetheart, this money won't be enough to buy all these items. Things are very costly these days.
This money will be enough. You will even bring back change.
Can you imagine? Maybe you will go to the market yourself, then will you realize that things are very expensive. Wait, why do you men keep thinking that we women are always shortchanging you people? But let's...
Ugomma, I don't want to get into argument with you this morning. Huh? Take your driver, go to the market before it gets more crowded. And take Adora with you so that she will start learning how to do things and how to become a princess. Beyond the kid that rehearse, but if I had to go.
You know what? Okekibo. Azo mangala. Bags of... You know what? I would just buy exactly how your money is worth. Nothing more, nothing less.
You are arguing with me now.
Next life, I will never marry a stingy man.
Yes, I'm stingy, but I'm a good man. Eh? You are troubling me over this now, but immediately you become Ugweze. Go back to your parents. You know how you came here. Are you looking to say, you are here, yes, I'm stingy, but I'm a opta. Ugomma. Your parents know I take good care of you. Anyway, I'll be coming Igwe very shortly. If I maybe.
Daddy, is it true that you told Mom that I should go with her to the market?
What about it?
Daddy, you want to turn me into a village girl? I'm tired of this village thing. I want to go back to Lagos.
To do what in Lagos?
To stay.
Is your father or mother in Lagos?
I don't need my father or my mother to be in Lagos before I can live there.
Really?
Yes.
Ibato. Your mates are now doing their youth service. But no. You're here because you couldn't pass your degree exams. Now you are looking for an opportunity to go to Lagos to continue to gallivant with those your lousy friends.
This is my fault. This is my fault. It's missing scripts.
It is blockheads like you that their scripts are declared as missing. You should be reading for exams now so you can pass. Huh? Let me warn you. This will be the last time I'll pay somebody to write the exam for you. In fact, I have been an irresponsible father to have somebody sit the exam for you. Huh?
That is not fair. It's not fair. You said to be my brother. You left me here to rot. I want to travel abroad as well. And it's Canada I want to go.
Enough of this nonsense. Now, go to the market with your mom and buy those things for my meeting.
No.
And let me warn you. Let this be the first and last I'll see you wear this nonsense. If I do, I will tear it off your body. You want to go to Canada so that you will disappear from there. Get out of here.
I don't like what people are doing to me in this house. I'll pack my load and leave.
If okay, then.
I don't like what people are doing to me.
If I see you wear this nonsense again, I will tear it off your body. In fact, I need to do a DNA of you. If I brought my blood. Can I be seen?
That's actually my plan. Yes, I'll be going to the village next month. Yes, I want to give my mother a befitting burial.
Your mother?
Mm-hmm.
But I thought your mother died many years ago. I want to give your late mother a befitting burial.
Okay, you will not understand. You will not understand. Yes, you know, when my mother died, I had nothing. I was broke. At that time, I just did the little I could do. It hurt me so much that I couldn't give my mother a befitting burial. But what could I do? But you know what? I vowed that someday, I'll give my mother a befitting burial. Thank God today I have the money, I can do that. So I want to immortalize her name.
Wow.
Yes, my mother suffered so much to raise me.
That's a nice one. Odogu. Ekalaka. Whatever you want, tell me. I will be there for you. Although we have raised so many people. I can count 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 of your guys that you've raised. Let me tell you something. I will go to them. I will go and tell guys. Men. Now a man to memorial funeral of his late mother. We will give you support. You have raised men now. Don't worry yourself. We will give you support.
Thank you.
So when you say I can match Efi 3. Thank
you. I know what you can do, Doctor. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. But first thing I'll do is to finish my house. Okay. Yes, they are roofing it right now. Once we're done, then next will be the burial.
Hey, I trust you. I know the kind of edifice you erect in that village. I trust you. Ezekwesili. One.
Okay. You keep calling me this name. Is anybody begging me to be king?
You deserve to be begged. Huh? You deserve to be begged. Okay, put a gun on me. You deserve to be begged because Ezekwesili.
Thank you.
I'll leave now.
It's been a beautiful day, Alright.
There's no money in this card.
What?
There's no money in this card.
How? Please check it again.
There's no money on it, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes, hello?
You don't sound okay. What's wrong?
I'm not okay. I went to pick up a few things from the supermarket on my way back from court. Only to realize that there was no money in the ATM card you gave to me. What kind of embarrassment is this?
Well, you should have been checking the balance now. You've had the card for about a month now.
Really? Well, you asked me to spend as I wish.
While you are spending as you wish, you'll be checking balance. The money can finish now.
So that's what you're saying? But you weren't receiving the alerts in the ATM card. You would have at least told me that the money had finished. Instead of getting embarrassed this way.
It's okay. Let's not argue. Let's not argue. How much do you need to clear the stuff? Anyway, don't worry. Just hang on. Just hold on. Hold on. Just hold on. You don't have to. Alright, cool. I just sent you 500k now. So you can sort out whatever you want to buy. Later we'll fix the ATM issue, okay? Is that okay?
Maybe.
Which one is maybe? Cheer up now, please.
Okay, thank you. I'll come and see you later at the office. Alright. Take care.
Well, later I'll sort it out, okay?
So sorry about that. I've tried now. Okay.
What is it?
Are you going out?
What does it look like?
Okay. I told you that I'm going out with your Jeep today.
To where?
Umuabarawai meeting, of course. Remember?
So because of Umuabarawai meeting or Abarawai meeting, I should not go to the site to inspect my project. Didn't I tell you about that land at Amachara? Didn't I tell you?
Oh, you did, sweetheart.
It's a big piece of land. They're already fencing right now. I need to be there physically. It's not a small project. 20 acres of land.
I understand, but then, excuse me, sweetheart. Now what are we going to do about it?
Do what?
I mean, your Jeep. I mean, the Jeep, of course.
What about your own car?
What? Wait a minute. Sweetheart, you want me to go with that old car? An old car that doesn't have AC to change my color. Come on, this meeting we are talking about is where you will see all these ugly, fat-belly women, local champions. I mean, hiring G-Wagon just for my Barawai meeting. And you want me, the future Lolo of the skin. Take a look at your wife and Nam. Baby, and you want me to go with that old car? Come on.
You have many options. Don't insist on my own car.
Baby, maybe you do not understand. I'm trying to protect your image here.
And what image to protect? And you don't have an image. You and I know that. So just go to that meeting if you want to.
Hold on. You do not have an image. I do have an image.
No.
As the future Lolo of this community. Come on.
You have not prepared to attend that meeting.
I am, sweetheart. Agum. My Ago. You're actually leaving me. What a stingy man. Let me here. I must.
Daddy. How far now?
What is it?
Where's the money now? You're just leaving.
Which money?
Money to fuel my car now. I'm going out with my friends.
To where?
Question. I'm going to the local amusement park in Agulu. There's nowhere to chill in this village. Popsy, you're not trying. You just brought us from Lagos to this miserable village just because you want to be king.
Stop talking like a foolish girl.
I'm not foolish, oh. I'm not foolish. I'm a wise girl. I'm not a foolish girl.
How can you call your father's home a miserable village? Huh? Don't you know as a future princess of this community you know how to talk?
Daddy, when are you going to become the king now? We don't tire. I don't tire. Daddy, try now. Try and be the king so that I can show these small village girls what it takes to be a princess.
Right,
you know your daughter.
You're dressing like a street girl.
Daddy, there's nothing wrong with my dressing. I'm at home. I can wear anything I feel comfortable in.
Says who? Huh? Go and remove that thing before I tear it off your skin.
Daddy, I know this style. This is scope. You want me to forget about this money? Daddy, bring that money. Bring everything. Bring everything. Hey! 5,000 naira. What am I going to do with 5,000 now? Am I going to enter bike or kata?
Yes.
Your princess.
Yes, bike is 1,200 chata.
Hey! What kind of a stingy father is this? Stingy father.
Chifatokaria, Chifuania, take it easy. To be a king is not a daughter. Chifakukaria, Gaimano, take it easy. To be a king is not a daughter. Chifakukaria, Chifuania, take it easy. To be a king is not a daughter. Chifakukaria, Gaimano. Take it easy, to be a king is not a daughter. I think they say charity begins at home. Chifakukaria start from your home. Money no be everything in this world. You get money, we know. You get connection, we don't see it. You get money, we know. You get connection, we don't see it. To be a king is not a do or die affair. Chifakukaria, Chifuania, take it easy. To be a king is not a daughter. Chifakukaria, Gaimano, take it easy. To be a king is not a daughter.
Where's the engineer?
Went out.
Went out to where?
Went to somewhere.
All of what?
Bamba.
What about the foreman?
Went out.
Huh.
They will come very soon.
No.
No.
You can't progress like that. There are 3 trailers coming with about 1 million blocks. Don't tell me if they went out. You have to hire enough hands. Eh? The fencing must start immediately. This is just a security man's house, so we shouldn't waste time on this. Start the fencing immediately. Let me not hear stories that I come back and nobody is here. Okay. Okay. What you see here?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Hurry up. Fast. You throw it fast. You throw it fast. Again. Why are you hurrying up? What's going on? Take it. You are hurrying up. What is happening? I hope all is well.
Okay, for all is well, but all is not well.
Oh, did anybody die?
Nobody died, but something bad, very bad, is about happening in our community.
And what could that be?
Somebody came to my house this morning and told me that Chief Akokalia is building structures and fencing the whole length and breadth of our amateur community land.
Meaning what?
That is why I'm here, Okafo. I went there myself, and it is indeed true that Akokalia is trying to occupy the land.
Did you see him?
They said he had come and gone. So I engaged the supervisor, and he confirmed that the land belongs to Akokalia. He even said that Akokalia has all the required government papers to back it up. Can you imagine?
This is serious. Are you sure of what you are telling me? What do we do now? Something is bad.
Let us go and inform Ono and the other elders.
No. Wait. Let us go to Akokalia's house and confirm first. Something else might be happening there.
Okay, what are you confirming? And what else could be happening?
No one can tell. You can't tell. Huh?
Okay. If you insist.
If you insist. Wait, let me get it. Quickly.
Akokalia, you cannot sell that land. It is our community land from time immemorial. It is not your personal land. We granted your request to build a factory on one plot, and then you want to take over the whole land. Please call off this transaction immediately and save yourself some embarrassment before it creates further problems.
What nonsense are you talking about? Huh? So because you and I are from the same kindred, you think you can talk to me anyhow? Now where's the community CFO? Where is the survey plan? That's my own CFO. That's my own survey plan. Where's your own?
Okay, this is not a matter of brandishing papers whose authenticity cannot be ascertained.
Chiendoka, take your eyes off that land, otherwise it will blind you. By the way, have you forgotten I'll soon be the Igbo of this community? And what that bestows on me is the custodian of all the land in this community. Ichiokafu, I'm very disappointed in you. You had the effrontery to escort this man to my house to harass me?
No, Chief Akokalia. It is not harassment. It is true that Amacha is our community land, but not...
Now listen, if you think you have power, go there and stop the work on the fencing work that's going on, and you'll see me in my true colors. Get out of my house!
Man, leave him.
Gossiping elders. Ungrateful elders. Go and stop work there. Let me see.
Chief Akokalia, Chief Wania, take it easy. To be a king is not a do-or-die. Chief Akokalia, Guy Man, take it easy. To be a king is not a do-or-die. Chief Akokalia, Chief Wania. Sometimes I wonder where people keep their conscience because of little bribe. You decided to sell your conscience, but mind you, this throne is not for sale. If open no sure give me bell, in a man get Chief Akokalia.
Are you heading to Akokalia's house?
Yes. Any problem?
We are just from there. And you won't believe that that man is hell-bent on taking over our community land at Amachara. He is facing the whole land as we speak. We need to stop him.
Yes.
Ichie, I do not think that is the best way to go about this matter.
What is the best way?
Come if you order. Instead of a man's game to escape him, he will cut off the tail and hold on to something.
Why are you talking like this?
How am I talking? Let me ask you a question, Ichie Ndoka. If you challenge Akokalia, will you win? If we challenge Akokalia, will we win? Akokalia is rich. He is connected. Oh my mother. Instead of fighting a battle we know we will lose, I suggest that we, the Ichies, come together, meet Akokalia and find a common ground and see what we can get out of this.
Ichie Zov, huh? Is this what we are going there to tell him?
What kind of question is this? So I must now tell you my mission to my kinsman's house. Eh? Have you told me your mission to where you are going? Achalanya go.
Coward. Traitor.
Always sabotaging noble efforts.
Huh? Come along, Okafor. We must put an end to this matter. Akokalia cannot annex over 20 hectares of land all to himself. For what?
It's not done.
How
can?
All I'm saying is that you need to sort out the elders so that when the matter gets to litigation, we will bear witness that it is your land.
But I have done enough for this community to deserve that land.
I'm not saying that you should pay for the land, but you need to sort out some people. So that they will not raise any objections.
But not everybody should be sorted out. People like Ndoka and his co-conspirators should be ignored.
Oh, totally. Do you know that I saw them on my way here and they were trying to convince me not to come and see you?
They can go to hell.
They're already in hell.
Just supervise that they are in the hottest part of hell. So how much will be required to sort them out?
Let's say 100,000 naira each. And we are 8 elders.
100,000? Then how much is the entire land?
20 acres of land. Hey! It does not even scratch the surface. Our land is very expensive now. Yeah.
Okay, I will give them 20,000 naira each.
Hi, Ako. How can you be giving them 20,000 naira? It's insulting. Remember, you are not yet king. And these people can make things very difficult for you.
But I deserve to have that land. I'm qualified.
Yes.
Because of what the advice in Anya, I'll give them 50,000 naira each. Who doesn't like, let him go to court.
50. I will try and come.
If even to I say that Remel agree.
Oh, even a
Is this how he's going to rule us? By confiscating all our land?
That's exactly why we are here. As we speak, he is already facing the whole place. Really? And from what he said, he has already gone to the government to get papers that he is the rightful owner of the land.
Hi. Are you serious?
Yes.
What do we do? I don't know.
I am calling for an emergency meeting of Ndichie tomorrow.
That's a good one.
By 4 p.m. in my house.
Good.
That's when we decide on how to tackle Akokalia.
Good.
The man has beaten more than he can chew. I like that.
I'll be there. I'll be there.
Okay. Thank you.
I just saw Ndoka and Ndoka for leaving this place. What did they come here to do?
Honestly, it's about Akokalia. That he has confiscated all our land. As I'm talking to you, he's constructing a fence round all our land. What kind of man is that?
This is the kind of man he is. This is from Chief Akokalia to you. Ignore whatever Ndoka and Ndoka have told you. Ndoka has an old grudge against Chief Akokalia. That is why he's busy spreading all these lies and misinformation. Ignore them. That land they are telling you about, Akokalia wants to build a big factory in it. A factory that will benefit our people. They will be building motorcycles, spare parts, laptops, phones, all these new things.
Is that what he said?
Of course.
Are you sure?
Yes. Hey, look, let me tell you. Akokalia has done so much for this community. And he intends to do more.
It's good. But you should have told us that earlier. Akokalia should have told us instead of going there to cause confusion.
That is what he was planning to do before Ndoka and Ndoka started spreading lies and misinformation. I told you Ndoka has a grudge against Akokalia. Look, do you know what a factory of that magnitude will do for the people of this community? A factory that white people will come and be doing business with us. Yeah? Even your son Ifeanyi, that graduated since and is in Lagos looking for work. Ifeanyi will come here and get work in the office with so many other youths of this land.
Up and down looking for a job for him. Ifeanyi will just enter and start work immediately.
Take this money. Ignore whatever they are telling you. More will come. I even have to go and meet all the other reasonable elders and give them what Akokalia said I should give them. Take, this is your own. This is your own, and more is still going to come. This is small. Ego can habia. Ignore them. Whatever they tell you is a lie. Ignore them.
Take it easy. To be a king is not a do. Chief Akokalia, guy man. Take it.
So Akokalia has graduated from taking people's wife to taking our collective land. And he wants to be Igwe. We have to give this matter a second thought. I know he has money, but money is not everything.
That is exactly why we're here. Let us meet in my house by 4 o'clock tomorrow and take a firm decision on this.
What about Unu?
Let us leave him out for now. Okay? Yes. It's better we each years take a collective position before we involve him.
Daluno.
Izog.
Monago.
Eji ejogo.
Monago.
Oh.
Cheso. Ogusia to isikenanyi.
What we go Namune Kene? Haven't we greeted before? Monago. I want to see you inside.
But we're having an important discussion here.
Monago. I said I want to see you inside. Simple discussion.
Ndiche. Okpoko amarifa na akpoli ya. Anjezo okwa. Oh? Kaije.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Is it not money that traitor is holding?
Exactly. Akokalia has given him money to bribe the elders.
Hi. And the Zog agreed to be the errand boy?
You know how cheap and treacherous Zog is. No integrity, no honor at all.
Do you think our colleagues will fall for the money?
One cannot say. Let us wait till we meet tomorrow. Meanwhile, we still need to see Ichioguchi and Kalo.
Yes, that is true.
Take it easy. To be a king is not a do. Chief Akokalia. Guy man, take it easy, to be a king is not a do. Chief Akokalia, Chief one year, take it easy. To be a king is not a do. Chief Akokalia, Guy man, take it easy.
Monago, I am a man who accepts defeat when he is defeated. Chief Akokalia has registered that land with the government and they have given him documents. Nobody can do anything about it.
Registered? How? Our community land.
See, it is not a matter of talking, our community land. The government does not deal with word of mouth. The government deals with evidence. And Akokalia has the documents. That is evidence.
What if we all go there and stop him from taking possession of the land?
He will use the army, police, and even civil defense, plus road safety, to arrest everybody and dump you in prison. Do you want to go to jail? See, the best thing to do is not to challenge Akokalia, but rather to meet with him and then find a common ground and see what we can get from this. This is for you. Take it.
What about other elders? Have they taken this money?
Not everybody. I have not had time to go to everybody, but I know they will take it. You see, even this Ndoka and Okafo that are moving around causing confusion. If I give it to them, they will take it. But I will not give it to them. Whatever they will do, let them do it.
Chizo, I am not comfortable with this.
Monago, it is not a matter of being comfortable. It is a matter of common sense. Remember, Chief Akokalia will soon be Iwe. And it is better to be in his good books than to be in his bad books. Chief
Akokalia, Guy man, take it easy, to be a king is not a do. Chief Akokalia, Chief one year, take it easy. Chief Akokalia.
Okafo. No. Welcome.
Hasn't anybody come?
Nobody. And the time is fast spent.
Oh, no, don't worry. You know our people and their attitude to time. Please, they will still come.
Okafo, this is not a matter of attitude to time. Can you imagine that Ibekanjo of all people is not picking my call? Something is wrong somewhere, Okafo.
No, and this is not good for our community.
That is an understatement. Akokalia is fast corrupting our community. Before him, there was nothing like bribery and turning the truth upside down. But since he came back from the city, strange things have been happening. Our people can no longer say one thing and stand by it.
And the Zog is always there to support and urge him on.
Birds of a feather. Zog has always been a lazy man, a lazy and a corrupt man. It is only his late father's good image that qualified him as an Nigerian. Yes. Otherwise, he is rotten. No honor, no integrity. It's sad.
It's very, very sad.
Okay, please come and sit down. At least let's, make a love for you.
Hey.
Chief Akokalia, Chief one year, take it easy. To be a king is not a do. Chief Akokalia, Guy man, take it easy. To be a king is not a do. Chief Akokalia, Chief one year, take it easy. To be a king is not a do. Chief Akokalia. guy man. Take it easy, to be a king is not a do.
Shukura. We're here for the meeting you called. I hope we're not late. Won't you offer me a seat?
You can sit down anywhere.
Oh, thank you. Hello. Oh, yeah. Won't you offer us cola nuts?
Chief Akokalia, I did not invite you to any meeting.
Am I not one of the elders of this community anymore? Didn't you call it for a meeting of the elders?
No. I called for a meeting of Indichie, and you are not one. Besides, the meeting is about you and the confusion you are bringing into our community.
How dare you talk to me like that? How dare you? Because you begged me for money and I said no. Huh? You're now constituting yourself into opposition.
I did not beg you for any money.
If you say that again, I will break your head. Don't you interject when I'm talking. Look at you. Look, I'm a Lagos guy. I'm not like a local champion like you. You don't like me. I don't like you. So stay off my track.
I only invited fellow Indichie to deliberate over an issue. What offense have I committed?
So, where are those you invited? Where are they? They did not respond to you because they know you're of no use. A fully forgivable. Let me warn you for the last time. Don't you cross my path. If you do, these men here are not gentlemen. Idiot. Guys, let's go.
My Lord, you are a good man. I can tell you that evil and lies can run fast. But I assure you that good and truth will surely overcome and overtake. It's just a question of time. Please, forget whatever you have with that evil man before he harms you. I have only one husband and I am too young to be a widow. Biko, Nam. Biko. Mokoma. Biko, oh? Forget about that man. Please.
Thank you, my queen. Thank you for your tender love and care. I have heard all you said, and I will do exactly as you say.
Hey, Nan, I just finished preparing your food. Please come inside and eat. Oh? Let me help you up. Let's go. Let's go here. What are the chama? Oh?
So I was caught today.
Hectic as usual. All these half-baked male lawyers trying to intimidate we ladies. But you know they can't intimidate me because I'm equal to the tax. Anyhow they want it.
I trust you. If they give you fire, you give them more fire.
So you said you wanted to tell me something.
Yes. Same dream I've been having. I had it again. My mother came to me and told me specifically to go to the village and help my people.
I don't believe in all those dreams and superstitions. Village people are evil and they must be avoided at all costs.
some extent, I agree with you. But not all village people. Yes. And we can't all run away from the village because of the misbehavior of some people. No.
Only there you go again. Argue with a lawyer. Can't you just humble yourself for once and listen to me?
But this is not a legal matter. It's general knowledge. Everybody knows that not everybody is bad.
Fine. It's alright. You can go ahead and do whatever you want to do. But if anything comes out of this village adventure, count me out.
Hey. I can't just count you out like that now, my darling. I was hoping you would go with me to the village. So when we're done with what we're doing, we'll go inspect the house that I'm building.
A house?
Yes.
Wait, you're building a house in the village?
Yes, I'm building a house. After that first dream, I realized I needed to have a base. I mean, a big guy like me, I have houses all over Nigeria. It's somehow for people to say that I don't even have a house in my own village. It's wrong.
You're building a house in the village and you didn't even bother to tell your fiancé.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's just that, I mean, anytime we talk about village stuff, it gets you upset. So I didn't want to add to your problems with the whole village thing. I'm sorry.
It's fine. It's okay. You can do whatever you want to do. You can go to the village. I don't care. I'm staying here in Lagos because I was born and brought up here. It's fine by me. You can go.
No, it's not. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. Okay.
Let me be.
It's not that bad. I plan to get to my village this weekend.
Oh, really?
Yes, and I'll be needing company. Will you be free?
Well, Odogwa will be free for you. Anytime, any day. Eh?
Thank you. I trust you. Thank you. I've already sent an advance party to the village to put things in order.
Okay. That's nice. Especially security.
Yeah, so it's crazy. A man has to secure himself. Yeah. So the reports I'm getting from there are quite impressive. You know, I've not been to the village in a long while. Very long. So kind of skeptical about this trip. I don't know how it will turn out.
Well, let's just get there and see how things turn out. Huh? Whichever way, I know we will always conquer.
You know, they treated my mother and I very badly back then. Very badly. Even though I know there's still good men there.
It's well, you already told me the story. But one thing you should know is that in everything, there is a good side. Without the push, maybe you wouldn't have gotten to the place you are today. Think about it from that angle. Eh? They pushed you, It's well, we'll get there.
Onye mana game osisi enelanyo ndeda ndemeka nwa mmaduka nwaka nwa emeka tikana oke nwa na muru obodo dogwu na mile ka agụ obodo ne kwanu ya umutim kingdom nwaka nwa gotago hey nwa na yesi obele nwa na yesi obodo kwanugo umutim kingdom emeka tikana bodogwu nwaka nwa gotago hey Ebi na-echi iri afọ ụzọ Imagbo ya bụ Hey, Emeka Tigana Imagbo ya bụ Obele nwa na-anya eze Imagbo ya bụ Odogwu na-eme ile ka agụ Imagbo ya bụ Hey, ki na-ama aka Imagbo ya bụ Akwelisi pọmpụ ego Imagbo ya bụ Ijikwanye gị na beje Imagbo ya bụ Enemies Masquerade Odogwu Imagbo ya bụ Obodo anyị ekwelugo Obodo ekwelugo Umutim Kingdom Mwaka mwa gotago Hey Mwana yeze Obele mwana yeze Obodo ekwelugo Umutim Kingdom Emeka Tigana Bodogwu mwaka mwabatago. Mwana yes. Ebine chintida fuso. Imoboyobo. Hey, emekatigana. Imoboyobo. Obele mwana yes. Imoboyobo. Odogu nemile kako. Imoboyobo. Hey, kitiri. Imoboyobo. Akweli selisi pompwego. Imoboyobo. Imoboyobo. Enemies masquerade odogu. Imoboyobo. Tigana, you know they talk too much. You believe in action. What a great philanthropist you are. A better one, yes. Nemeka Wamaduka. Emeka Tigana, Mwabi Adiacha. All the evil plans against you. Fanemena Kitty. Makugo charache mwarako juju. Ugo charache mwarako noju. Ubune kwalugo. Umutim Kingdom. Umutim Kingdom.
That's the hospital I was born in.
Oh,
Still standing.
Well, it's not in a good shape though.
It was actually built by a matron. If she's still alive, she'll be very old by now. I hope she's still alive. Let's drive in and take a look.
Okay.
Makugo charache mwarako juju. Ugo charache mwarako noju. Ubune kwalugo. Umutim Kingdom. Umutim Kingdom. Mwaka mwabatago. Hey. Mwana yese. Obele mwana yese. Ubune kwalugo. Umutim Kingdom. Emeka Tigana bodogu. Mwaka mwabatago. Hey. Mwana yese. Ebine chintida fuso. Imoboyobo. Umutim Kingdom. Emeka Tigana bodogu. Mwaka mwabatago. Hey. Mwana yese. Ebine chintida fuso. Imoboyobo. Hey. Emeka Tigana. Imoboyobo. Obele mwana yese. Imoboyobo. Odogu nemile kako. Imoboyobo. Hey. Kitiri. Imoboyobo. Akweli selisi pompwego. Imoboyobo. Imoboyobo. Enemies masquerade odogu. Imoboyobo. Emeka Tigana. You know they talk too much. You believe in action. What a great philanthropist you are. Well, man, yes. Emeka Wamaduka. Emeka Tigana. Mwabi Adiacha. All the evil plans against you. Fanemena Kitty. Makugo charache mwarako juju. Ugo charache mwarako noju. Ubune kwalugo. Umutim Kingdom. Umutim Kingdom. Mwaka mwabatago. Hey. Mwana yese. Obele mwana yese. Ubune kwalugo. Umutim Kingdom. Emeka Tigana bodogu.